Hello, I'm Rani Amalia Pratiwi from Universitas Sriwijaya, and here I want to present our research entitled Deep Ensemble Learning for Skill Lesson Classification with Convolutional Neural Network. This presentation is doing for 2021 Conference on Internet of Things and Embedded Intelligence. So, this is my outline of presentation. First, I would like to give an introduction and then a little explanation about the materials, and after that, I will talk about the method, and at the end, I will discuss the result and analysis and also the conclusion. Skin lesions are skin tissue that has an abnormal growth or appearance compared to the surrounding skin. One of the potentially cancerous skin lesions is melanoma. Melanoma is formed in melanocyte cell. Today, melanoma cancer causes many deaths in the world. Melanoma examination in the early stage is very important so that patient survival can be improved. One way to detect melanoma cancer is to use digital imaging called dermoscopy. Medical diagnosis using a dermoscopy with a computerized system is needed at this time. Research on the classification of skin lesions through dermoscopy image have proposed by using various methods. Convolutional neural network method is considered to have the best architecture in several applications for image classification, specifically in the classification of skin lesions to detect skin cancer. In this paper, a deep convolutional neural network is used to classify several categories of diagnosis of skin lesion. The HAM 10,000 dataset was available through the International Skin Imaging Collaboration 2018 archive. This dataset consists of 10,015 dermoscopy images with 7 category diagnoses, that is, 327 actinic keratosis, 514 basal cell carcinoma, 1099 benign keratosis, 115 dermatofibroma, 1113 melanoma, 6705 melanocytic nevi, and 142 vascular lesions. Dermoscopy image sample can be seen in here. We show one sample in each diagnostic category. Input image must be pre-processed by resizing the image to the size of 192 by 257 pixels. The data augmentation method was rotation of 60 degrees shear image zooming with shift and head shift, normalizing the pixel value to a 0 to 1 range, and splitting the dataset into 8,111 images for the training set, 902 images for the validation set, and 1,002 images for the testing set. Convolutional neural network is an artificial neural network using a grid-like structure designed for data processing such as image. A simple CNN architecture usually has 4 layers such as a convolutional layer, ReLU layer, pooling layer, and fully connected layer. CNN have the architecture that already given here. Our research proposed an ensemble model approach by combining 3 deep CNN architecture, namely Inception v3, Inception ResNet v2, and DenseNet 201, which can be seen in here. This ensemble model combines and takes the average output probability of the 3 models. The accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, precision, and F1 score were used as classifier performance measurement. It was calculating using this equation. All value was obtained from the confusion matrix. Before we conducted the ensemble model, CNN architecture is developed to see the ability of CNN model, refers to this table. The high performance is achieved by DenseNet 201 architecture outperform other architecture, but the sensitivity value is still below 90%, and overfitting between training and testing has occurred. Therefore, to overcome the drawback, the ensemble architecture is conducted by using 3 architecture, which is Inception v3 model, Inception ResNet v2 model, and DenseNet 201 model. The 3CNN architecture with the best performance is combined to calculate the average value in terms of accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, precision, and advanced score. The classification performance results are described in here. All values obtained from this confusion matrix. Comparative analysis was carried out in assessing the method proposed in this paper by involving the comparison of several studies in the multi-class classification of skin lesion. This table summarizes the performance of the proposed method approach and compare it with the previous approach regarding the multi-class classification of skin lesion using dermoscopy image. The proposed ensemble model produced better accuracy than other studies. The results of the performance are validated in the training, validation, and testing process to guarantee better performance because of a deeper architecture of the ensemble model. So, for the final statement, here are some summary and conclusion according my previous explanation. The early detection of skin lesion becomes an important task in cancer diagnosis. Therefore, the patient survival can be improved. This paper proposed an ensemble learning by combining 3CNN architectures such as Inception V3, Inception ResNet V2, and DenseNet 201 for skin lesion classification. Our model successfully classifies 7 classes of skin lesion with excellent results. This paper achieved average accuracy, average precision, average sensitivity, average specificity, and average F1 score are 97.23%, 90.12%, 97.73%, 82.01%, and 85.01% respectively. And this is our references. Thank you so much for listening.